At Rebar Cane, we have successfully identified and solved a number of issues with existing pencils. It's a pleasure to introduce to you MAGNO. As design engineers, it's in our nature to challenge and innovate products we use every day. Other products use a full release or incremental action which dictates the lead position.
Our patent-pending magnetic propulsion technology offers finite controllability unlike other pencils. The secret to our revolutionary invention is concealed within the core of the pencil. The outer sleeve synchronizes its position to the inner magnet shielded within the premium-grade aluminium body. It works like magic.
Every detail has been considered. Whilst it may not be visible to the naked eye, the ends of the pencil are slightly larger in diameter to prevent the sleeve from falling off.
We have sourced our manufacturers, paid for tooling, and have received our final prototypes.
So now we need your help to raise the funds and hit our minimum order quantities. It really is the last piece of the puzzle. We want to make our dream a reality and start shipping these fantastic new products to your door.
We strongly believe that making profit should come second to great design. Therefore, we've priced these pencils at an extremely affordable rate to make them accessible to the wider Kickstarter community. A product with this level of consideration really is a tool for life and perfect as a gift for your family and friends.
So now it's up to you to help us bring the pencil into the 21st century.
Thank you for watching.
Secret that I'm a big fan of VR input. I think that's probably one of the things I would have done differently than Apple, especially finger-held tools that allow you to do high precision interactions that you simply cannot do with your eyes or with the binary inputs of touching fingers.
Hey, welcome to the secret lab of the Maliang Magic Pencil. Here's our CEO. Let's see what he's up to. What are you testing?
I'm testing a new firmware upgrade to improve our tracking.
We are able to basically track this entire thing with just the size tip of a finger. We have 3 different sensors to determine the position. One is the IMU, and then we have the ultrasound and the LEDs. Those 3 are fused together, and I'm tweaking things to make it even more accurate.
Impressive.
The major endeavor is basically making this thing easy to produce on scale. We have quality control. We know that whatever gets out of the factory is perfect.
My name is Rolf Adelsberger. I'm co-founder and CEO of SensorX. I've been doing motion capture for a big part of my life. Especially I'm interested in capturing human motion. Our aim is to make interaction in VR or spatial computing as intuitive as possible. And that's why accuracy is important, because reality is very accurate, so you don't want to relearn things.
We need something which is really agnostic, that works for the entire ecosystem. And for devices which are not yet integrated with us, we have a little receiver that allows you to be compatible in the time being. It was one of the biggest crowd pleasers in tech shows. At CS Asia, we actually won the most popular consumer electronic award. In Shenzhen, we won the best application for VR, Gyro Awards. So it's been really, really exciting to see people loving it.
It's so wonderful!
You can even use it outside of spatial computing environments.
You can basically take any screen and you can make it a touch screen with this stylus. So you can draw in Photoshop, you can use ZBrush, you could sign a PDF.
I'm very grateful to this Magic Pencil for making my creative visions come to life in a very easy and intuitive way.
We are Barcelona, and like many of you, we love carbon fiber. It is strong, light, and reliable. With over a year of extensive research, we have created a pencil called CARBONARA. CARBONARA is innovative in how the pencil works through the releasing of the lead, and it also plays with the bending of the carbon fiber material. The design process has been closely related to the prototyping to help create the perfect product. We wanted to design a minimalist pencil where the carbon fiber was the main focus. We have considered every detail to make it function perfectly. By pressing on the body of the pencil, the lead will easily slide out to whatever length you desire, making it the perfect item for your drawings. This is the first pencil where carbon fiber has a real purpose other than just looking good. Help us bring CARBONARA Pencil to life. We need your support. Thank you.